Good evening, folks. Al Q here on December the 15th at 7:15 p.m. Well, 7:16 now. All right, the Euro's in. Things have gone a little on the lesser side as it did overnight and throughout today, basically, but things are still, you're looking at still 1 to 2 feet of snow in the region, not the 24 to 30-inch totals we were looking at last night. Things went a little awry. But it's still going to be a very strong storm from that aspect. Right, you got a big high pressure system right here sitting over the top. That's going to kind of slide to the east a little bit. You can see some warm air building in. And when we look at this region, northern New Jersey or 195 cutoff north, we're going to have a pretty good shot at snow into eastern PA and into the Hudson Valley region. So let's take a look. Let's run the map through here. Here's the Euro, the latest Euro. See it coming up. Moderate snow breaking out. You got some sleet, all right, a little bit of freezing rain and sleet here. There's a low pressure system coming up that way. Now that's pretty far northwest. Interesting. All right, let's run it through here. We take it there. Low pressure system still down here. That's out over the Delaware. Moderate snows. Okay, still some moderate snow. This comes far north. See, when a low pressure system comes that far north, that would flood the entire region with warm air. But because the high pressure is so dense and it's straight from the Arctic right over northwest Canada, there's some low, cold, dense air. When you get on the east side of the Rockies, that'll bleed down the valleys and bleed into this region. So that's what's kind of holding this at bay for us. It's a weak low pressure system. If it was 990 or below, we wouldn't have a chance. We would basically flip to a mixed, then to rain. All right, and then it scoots off east. Okay, and that's basically the end of the storm. It's going to be about 12 hours. Start sometime around 3, 4 o'clock tomorrow. And sometime probably in the 6 o'clock range, you'll may see some snow. Well, probably about 8, 9 o'clock, you'll see snow going on still. All right, let's take it to winds. Now, the winds are going to be pretty good still. Take it some gusts here. Let's drag this back so we can see. All right, so as we start to move in Wednesday there, the storm starts cranking. Here it comes up. You start to see you have some really tough conditions here, with gusts in the 35 to 42 miles per hour range. All right, and it subsides as the storm moves away. All right, let's take a look at temperatures. Take a look at the surface here. All right, so as the storms, let's pull it back. As the storms rolling in Wednesday, you can see down here the warm air trying to push up. All right. And then as the storm starts to pull away, all right, oops, sorry, you get the 34, 35 down in the city. That may cause a changeover down there. I don't know how it's really going to snow. All right, and you get to the 30-degree range in lower Passaic County, straight line across, and now here comes the cold air as the storm starts to pull away. All right, Thursday night, look at those temperatures just start to crash. Okay. Into Friday. Friday's going to be a cold day. Look at that Friday. Not really getting above 30. And then Friday night, temps crash bigly here. Okay, this is going to turn that snow into a basically solid block of ice. All right, so let's take a look at some predictions here. Here's the latest Euro, saying anywhere from 12 to 14, 15, 16 inches in a region. All right, not bad at all for a December snowstorm. Okay, again, not the 24, 30 inches that we were seeing last night. And it happens with models. They waffle back and forth. All right, here is from the East Region National Weather Service. They're saying 12 to 18 inches out here. Michael Mugsland State College, PA, baby, could be seeing 18 to 24. Bigly out there, all right? You'll see a wide path of this because the storm's coming here. up to this region. If the storm was down over in this region, this all would be over here, and that's what we were seeing last night. But it's come a little further north. Here is EPAWA, all right, Bobby Matrix. All right, letter C is where majority of us are in B. C is 10 to 15 inches, locally higher. He says snow to sleet, then back over to snow. That's going to keep us down. B, mostly snow, some sleet, maybe mixes in south, 15 to 20. And A, he's saying 20 to 26. All right, so that's a big portion up here. Eastern PA, down to State College. Okay, tippy touch of Northwest New Jersey. All right. Let's see, Britland up here by Middletown, Marky Mark, 15 to 20 inches, all right? Albany's not in here, Sarah, but he's saying you would be 10 to 15. Woohoo. Here's a bigger, wider view. Here you go. Sarah, you may be 7 to 14, but 12 to 18 by Chris Smart's weather. Okay, studying to become a meteorologist. And then we have our man NSFWX. All right, excellent meteorologist. All right, he's got 12 to 18 and the 18 plus regions we see come up here as well. All very similar. All right, so as we said on our board, we want to rally. Okay, it's rally time. All right, to try and get this to tick more southeast, which sometimes they do. They like to adjust. They are actually flying a recon mission into the system tonight as I speak. So that should give us some more data, more basically ground and upper air level observations that we're trying to figure out with satellite data. So now we're going to get better information, which will tell us more about the storm better. All right, so there may be changes coming down overnight. That happens. We are still about 16 hours away from the start of this storm. So even within 12 hours, we have had adjustments. All right, so I'll give an update in the morning. Maybe I'll just do it old school. But next time frame to look at, we can look at some snow showers Sunday, and then we'll look at things around Christmas Day and the day after. But I'm looking more towards Christmas Eve, we'll say the 23rd to the 26th time frame. All right, folks, for another possible storm. And it has a good chance of being white. All right, have a great night, everybody. Hit the subscribe button, click on the like, thumbs up, and share with like-minded people.